A second Indian vessel, Nanda Devi, has docked at Gujarat's Vadanar port on Tuesday after safely passing through the Strait of Hormuz. The LPG tanker, carrying around 47,000 metric tons of liquefied petroleum gas, has arrived at Vadanar port in Gujarat, offering relief amid growing concerns over a possible shortage of cooking fuel. The vessel, which traveled through the Strait of Hormuz, reached the Indian shores at a time when fears were mounting over disruptions to energy supply routes. This is the second LPG carrier to successfully pass through the Strait of Hormuz amid ongoing tensions in West Asia. A day earlier, another tanker, Shivalik, had reached the Mundra port in Gujarat as well, with over 46,000 metric tons of LPG. Our correspondent Meghna Dev is joining us now from Gujarat with more on this story. Well, Meghna, what does Nanda Devi's docking at Vadanar signal actually about India's proactive role in energy security and maritime trade routes?
Very significant today, both the ships. Yesterday, Shivalik came at Mundra port, and today we saw that this Nanda Devi vessel has come at the Vadinar port. Now, Vadinar port is in the Dwarka district. It's near to Jamnagar. It's all yesterday Mundra port. Shivalik also came at the Mundra port, which is also one of the ports on the Gujarat coastline. These are significant ports when we can actually see that both energy security is being ensured and also the well-being of seafarers and shipments is being ensured. Three things that the government is clearly aiming at strategically. First is the well-being of security of the seafarers. Currently, there are other 22 vessels which are in the West Asia region, in the Persian Gulf region, and there are about 611 seafarers who are still there in those vessels. The government is trying to ensure that the shipment arrives safe with all seafarers also safe on board. What we are also seeing is that the second thing that the government is trying to ensure is that these shipments, once they are here, all the the permissions, the measures, the anchorage, and everything is being done smoothly. Administration is on its toes to ensure that there are no delays and no no hiccups in the whole process. Third is that the ministries are trying to ensure and are coordinating all the efforts where communication is being kept clear. There are communication with shipping companies. There are communications with these seafarers, their families, and other people who are stakeholders in this situation. Besides that, it is being ensured that there is no congestion on the ports. The GNPA, the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, has also ensured that the vessels which were outbound to the Gulf region, they are also being given rebates on on their waiting times and shipping lines and other things. They are being the waiting time because the shipments have to wait. So that is also being the rebate is also being given on that. So all the effort to ensure that the shipping industry does not go under much distress is also being ensured.
Meghna, also now that the ship has arrived, what next for the LPG on the vessel? How is it going to be taken out and distributed?
So there is a whole process that goes into how to take this out, and the cargo permissions are taken. When we actually see all the cargo is being taken down, after that it goes to the centers where it is stored and then transported to different regions where it is to be distributed. After that, it is given out in cylinders to distributors, and then the distributors go for the people who have booked the cylinders, they deliver it to the households. Besides that, the government is trying to push that more PNG lines, to more PNG lines, and also it is being ensured booking or any kind of black marketing that takes place. And we have also seen today number of reports coming out in different areas where people who have who are trying to black market these LPG cylinders have
Yes.
been caught. So the government is trying to ensure that the communication is clear. Besides that, not only communication clear on the end of
Yes.
where these
Yes.
distributors and these people are, but also in the end of consumers.
We leave it there. Thank you very much, Meghna De, for joining us from Ahmedabad with that update on the Nanda Devi docking at Vadinar Port.